Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working in Photoshop and I'm going to show you how to make an object glow. It's really cool to know how to do that. And in this case, I'm going to make this light bulb look like it is a brighter yellow. So the first thing that we want to do is create a new layer by hitting this button that looks like a plus sign down here in the bottom right. And on our layer, we're going to select the brush tool, which is this tool here. And then in the drop down here, we're going to make sure that we have soft round pressure and opacity selected. And I'm going to use a pixel of about 400 because what we want to do is we want to surround the light bulb, but we don't want it to be too big, because otherwise it's going to look fake and it's going to color the whole image or color too much of the image, when really all we're trying to do is make the light bulb itself look brighter. So that looks good. So I'm going to do this. You can left click on it once and it puts a little bit of color, but I'm going to do it 2 more times, and as you can see, that is getting brighter. So I'm going to turn this layer on and off for a second so you can see. That's before and that's after. So it already looks a little brighter. So the next thing we're going to do is go to the blending mode options. And as you can see, this is what happens to what we've put in the background with each one of these. And you'll notice that some of these, they don't make a difference at all. So the one that I'm going to use is Color Dodge. Color Dodge is really a good blending mode to use if you have either a dark background or a blurred background, which is the case that we have with this image. And then we're going to right click on this layer and go to blending options. And where we see this transparency shapes layer, we're going to uncheck that. Now I'm going to put it back so I can show you what happens when that's checked and unchecked. So with it checked, you can see a lot of bleed over from that yellow that we put on the Color Dodge in the background. But when we uncheck this, watch that tighten in to pretty much just the light bulb itself. And all of that is gone and this is brighter. So tell it okay. And then I'm going to show you on the main layer too. So there's the original. And there's the color that we added that makes it pop just a little bit more. So something else that we can do in here is we can go to the image and adjustments, and we can play around with the hue and saturation. We can make it look like it's got a hint of, I don't know, let's say purple. We can make it look less purple, or we can purple it out. And we can change the lightness and brightness on it. I don't mess too much with the hue and saturation. If I'm going to make an object glow, then I'm usually going to use a yellow or something like that. But you can come in here and make these look different based on what you pick in this hue and saturation. And that's how you make an object glow in Photoshop. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. And I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.